Binatawan ko yung manibela when I was driving my Ford Mustang. Na-realize ko na may mali sa akin. Naghanap ako ng mentor, nakilala ko si Jim Rohn and then Tony Robbins. And then lahat ng pera ko guys, ininvest ko sa kanila. And here's what I learned. Appreciate and understand your world. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. So, yun yung i-avoid yung pangalawa guys. No? I-avoid nyo yung pagiging people pleaser. Kasi minsan, sa sobrang kaka-please natin sa lahat ng tao, hindi na natin kilala yung sarili natin. You will lose a sense of who you are. You will lose your identity. And when you lose your identity, basically, that's losing yourself eh. When you lose yourself, you will lose everything. At babalik ka sa simula. So mahalaga na kilala mo yung sarili mo. Alam mo yung gusto mo.